Alright, what to do and what not to do for your favorite stock, let's say Rolls-Royce. You have to remember this. If you do enough research into your favorite stock, let's say it's Rolls-Royce or NIO or whatever the stock is, the number one rule with this, if that stock right now today, when you just invest in and it's dropped 50% within 1 hour or the same day, will you be okay? If the answer is no, I want you to turn off this video right now, because in the long run you will lose money. Because in the stock market, and especially right now, the market is very volatility. That means the market go up and down, and when you do enough research into the company, most likely you know the inside out of those companies. So when it drop, it should be a good opportunity for you to buy in more. Just like, for example, when you invest into a long-term company, you have to have a long-term vision. You want to give it enough time for it to grow over time. You cannot just invest in and when things go wrong, when things go tough, and you back out. Think of it like when you go inside a gym and you pay the money for your coach, and you believe that this coach, they know what they're doing, that it can't give you like a six-pack app. But when you join into the gym, you follow his instruction for 1 week or 2 weeks or even a month, and you say, you know what, things get rough, and you quit, you back out, and you chasing a different shiny object. It's not going to work, because the truth of the matter is there is a lot of favorite good stock in the market. But when you choose whatever favorite stock is, you have to stick to and commit to the tough time. Just like when you go to the gym, there is a lot of way for you to get six-pack app. It could be yoga, it could be Pilates, it could be regular gym workout, many things. But when you trust the coach, when you invest into that stock, when you invest into that coach, when you invest into yourself, do not give up halfway. You gotta stick to until you double up or triple up or quadruple up or whatever it is. Then you can sell it or whatever and go to a different stock. So that is the principle of investing. Do not invest and jump onto a different stock when it has not produced the result. Don't be like a Donkey Kong, okay? See you guys in the next video.